Hey Tracy, how are you? It is Leo again from Arona Marketing. This is the video I wanted to get sent out to you. I hope the I hope you enjoy the video. It's got some tips and tricks that you can do in-house to bring in more business using your website and your Google Business Profile. Now, as you see, I got your website pulled up here, Good Shepherd Roofing. I love that. I love this video we talked about earlier today. It is great. No sales gimmicks, just straight up being honest and a strategic way to be able to get you to the first page. Like the photos, like the reviews, got your partners, everything that the roof inspection includes. You got a Q&A there, a form submit, so not bad at all. My biggest suggestion would be to add more content because Google loves content. 24/7 Google sends bots out to crawl these sites to identify what these sites are about. So there's the roofing in here, roof repair, new roof. It needs to be, you need to make sure you have things in here like new roof, Decula, Georgia. Decula, Georgia, new roof, roof repair, Decula. Things like that that's telling the city and the service that you do in that city. Make sure that you're saving photos and videos as keywords too, because those count as content as well. So you want to make sure you have a minimum of 1,500 words of command content on this homepage, and throughout that content you want to have buyer intent keywords. And again, a buyer intent keyword is just a service that you do and the city that you do that service in. I like how you got your form submit up here at the top so people can come right in and fill out a form. I would suggest having a phone number up here, a pretty big bolded phone number that they can click to call. 58% of searchers are on their cell phone, so they can get right in here and click that button and get right in touch with you. Now, what I've done is put your website in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're sitting in Google's eyes. So this is your URDR. This is the strength and this is the trust that your website has with Google. Now, these numbers are they go up to 100, and you want to keep those balanced and moving up continuously. Now, you've got 8,888 backlinks. That is a lot of backlinks with 366 referring domains. To have this many backlinks and these numbers to be low, it kind of seems like there's some spammy backlinks in here. Now, a backlink is one website linking to another via clickable button or text. Not all backlinks are created equal. There are some backlinks that are more spammy and some that are more authoritative. So you really want to attack those backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to your industry and that's local to you. You're being indexed for 502 organic keywords. And again, it's the service in the city that you provide that service in. So let's see what you got in here. Roofing, Decula, Georgia is a 0 KD, which is good because this is out of 102. And the closer to 0, the easier it is to rank. But you want to have some good high volume keywords in here. Let's see. Yeah, there's not a lot of keywords in here that you're being indexed for. But I'll show you those here in just a second. So the way I found you was roofers in Atlanta. It kind of went to the Decula, Lawrenceville, Sandy Springs, Marietta. All those areas are kind of, around the same area in a certain mileage. So I know that you was paying for Google ads, and that's a really good way to get business quickly. But once you stop paying for those ads, you're gone off that page. And if you are even on this first page, it usually only shows 3. And if you're paying for those ads, I feel like you should be on the first page. So that's the importance of ranking organically. You get in here and rank organically, no one's going to take that spot from you. This is your map pack right here. This is, again, only showing the top 3. You're not in this top 3 right now, and that's fine because there are several ways to get there. You want to make sure you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet. You do not want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character About Us section at the bottom. You want to make sure that you get that filled out, and don't forget to add keywords in that as well. Also, by posting geotag, geolocated photos weekly, it helps you rank organically. And then adding citations. Now, citation is your business name, address, and phone number. Put those in directories like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, Yelp, things like that, because Google's just a big popularity contest. So the more information you share to these directories, the more Google's going to start to trust you, and it's going to boost your business not only in your area, but the surrounding areas as well. Now, being the Google Map Pack gives you about 30 to 40% of traffic that goes to your website, and then give you a call from there. Now, next is the organics. This is where you're getting 60 to 70% of your business. This is the number one in organics in your area. And as you can see, they have a little content, but they don't have a lot. So by implementing having more content than theirs, you'll start to outrank them while you're adding those authoritative backlinks, keywords, and content as well. Now, this is what I wanted to show you. I know you're close to Lawrenceville. Look at this. You can add this location page to your website, and then this is 150 searches a month with a 0 KD. Again, this is out of 100, so the closer to 0, the easier it is to rank. Roofers in Lawrenceville, GA, another 150, 0 KD. Roofer, Lawrenceville, GA, another 150, 0 KD. So as you see, there's a lot of volume here that you can be found for. Marietta, if this is another area that you can service, there's great volume here, low KD. And then Sandy Springs is insane, 900 search volume, 0 KD. So as you see, there is great search volume here that you can capitalize on and start ranking. And once you do, you'll get a percentage of that volume that goes to your website. And then a percentage of that's going to give you a call. And then depending on your close rate, you're going to turn those into customers. So I hope you enjoyed the video, Tracy. I hope it was informative to you, and I'd love to hear some feedback from you. My name is Leo from Rona Marketing. Have a great day.